Welcome students. In this video we will go over how to find your course schedule and then also how to read your course schedule this semester. From the first day of class you'll have access to all of your assignments for the entire semester. To find your course schedule, you will come to the home page and go over to the course information widget on the right. We're going to take a look today at the 18-week schedule. So to access this, you'll simply click on the hyperlink that says 18 weeks, and it'll bring up your course syllabi. You need to make sure that you read the syllabi closely and go over all of the policies presented in both the syllabi and the student handbook and turn in your parent-student acknowledgement form. This is very important. In your syllabi, you will see your course percentages. In this course, our discussions are worth 10%, coursework 20%, and tests, which would include multiple choice and FRQ exams, are worth 50%. At the end of the semester, you will take a objective final exam that is worth 20% of your grade. The late work policy is covered. The student code of conduct is very important. That's covered. And then here's access to your student handbook. Now starting on page 7, you'll see your course schedule. And for ease of reading and interpreting the schedule, I've color-coded the schedule to show green text as discussions, blue text as Dropbox items, red text as quizzes or tests, and then if you see a strike through, this means the assignment has been omitted and it will not count towards your grade. So please do not complete omitted assignments. If you ever have a question about an assignment, please do contact me. Another tidbit that's important, any web-based assignment may be completed using Microsoft Office tools. You have access to Microsoft Office tools as a Georgia Virtual student because you have an Office 365 account. And there are instructions on how to use those. So again, any web-based assignment may be completed using PowerPoint, Word, Publisher, etc. If you have any questions about the format of an assignment, please contact me well before its due date. So you'll see on the first week of class, you should be working on your introduction discussion, which you'll see on Monday, January the 4th. When you log in, you'll want to make sure that you go in and introduce yourself to your peers. And then you're going to start reading. You'll see Unit 1 information about the AP Psychology exam. You'll have information both in the course module, and then you'll also have information in your e-text, which there'll be another video on how to access that. For best results in the class, it is extremely important to work daily to complete and submit your assignments. If you get behind, it's difficult to catch up, especially in an AB course, which gives us only one semester to complete the coursework. So again, it's very important to stay on top of things and submit your work as you complete it and log in and work daily in the course. You'll see on Tuesday you have a lesson checkup. This is over the information that you went over on Monday. Your discussion will officially be due that day, or I'm sorry, this is a different discussion. Information about the AP Psychology exam. There's an assignment called Grading and FRQ, and here's a note on that, and you can see you come to your first strike through. So this assignment does not need to be completed. So you continue to follow the schedule each day as it is listed, and you'll notice on the second week of class that you have what's called the assignment due date. This is the hard due date for assignments, and after this due date, this is where zeros are entered for the end of a grading period. So your first grading period starts on January the 4th and it will end on January the 14th. And so any assignment for this grading period that has not been completed by this time at the very latest, and again, you should follow your schedule daily, then a 0 will be assessed after midnight on January the 14th. So make sure that you're getting those assignments in on time. Once you pass that date, you'll go into a 3-day late work period in which assignments that are submitted Friday through Sunday incur a 10% deduction. If they are submitted on Monday, a 20% deduction. On Tuesday, a 30% deduction. And then after that Tuesday, they can no longer be submitted for credit in the course. So it is important to stay on top of these assignments. So again, this is just how you follow your schedule, and you will use it to turn in your assignments and to know what to submit and when to submit it. In the next video, I'm going to look at course content, and it will show you where you can find your e-text, and then also where you'll find the different modules and assignments for the class.